Ka jing sapriang jong coronavirus hakaleng kibenta jong kari kalapan long ek sarkar jala ban pemi da kajing tha ban khang khadap shwa hadu khatan singi ek baro ki jaka puli bodan haka jala ban te lakam ek jing sapriang jong ka jingpang covid-19 coronavirus bat kasenjam ban ajeda ek nong sang ka jala kat kum kajing tha balapan mi da katnat ka koi ka khia kani kajing khang khadap ek school kan long na du khanyo trek luber hadu kalai phu trek luber kala ong batang ki jaka bapan long ki exam embos ICSE nihu CBSE bat kiwi ki jaka puli badang penlong ki examen kindang ya pleben umentri ka koi ka khiau bael hang ulapan bana ya kani ka jingpatha lengba ka sumuto statement hapok ka dorbar mang tengka jongking do bathau an hanne ka siningkong.
So after looking the national scenario, also the international scenario, how the coronavirus has been growing in the globally. That's why, sir, we have want to come with the statement today. But before that, I would like to inform you, yesterday evening, in spite of being a Sunday, we have to call the urgent meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, the Commissioner Secretary of the Health Department, Principal Secretary of the Education Department, the DC, and all the officials of health on the government to call on this problem which is now we are facing globally. Sir, now I beg to lay the statement, and also a request. Yesterday also we had taken this decision. From tomorrow onward, we'll close down all the educational institutions, the pubs, the cinema hall, whatever, anywhere which is equipped for the public gathering. And also, sir, we'll close down all educational institutions within the state and to remain closed except for the holding examination. Sir, I beg to lay the statement. WHO has declared the recent COVID-19 coronavirus disease outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern, PHEIC, due to its rapid transmissions and spread around the globe. Recent evaluations of COVID-19 affected countries has shown that the delay in enforcing social distancing restrictions has led to increase in a number of cases and deaths in those countries. Considering the situations where the numbers of cases have been gradually rising in the country, the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, has issued the following advisory and restrictions, which purpose to come into effect from 17 March 2020 to 31st March 2020. All educational institutions within the states are to remain closed except for the holding examinations. 2 places of mass gathering like cinema hall, mall, gymnasium, major sports, events, and swimming pool, etc. are to be closed. 3, the conferences, the workshop, meetings, seminar, training, etc., which involve a large gathering are to be postponed or cancelled. All non-essential travel outside into the states are to be postponed or avoided. 5th, visiting big open and enclosed market and tourist places are to be avoided. 6th, social distancing and hand hygiene to be maintained in place of work and worship. 7, notified fair and festival are to be postponed or cancelled. 8, close contact in public transport is to be avoided. 9, companies or offices with work from home option may be permit employees to do so. The Health Department has given the above advisory and final decisions, and details instruction will be issued after the meeting being convened today by the Honorable Chief Minister, the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya in this regards. And also, sir, request the Honorable Speaker to adjourn the House or make it short this session to avoid any kind of public gathering. Thank you, sir.
Hakoi pat kaliang ka sarkar Meghalaya kalapha unara hadu san hajar tili kitiar ajingada bat nriulak ki dawai sekti kum kasin jam banla banyada ya ka jingpur ka jingpang coronavirus hapo ka jala.
Taking steps to declare some of these products as essential commodities so that hoarding becomes illegal. And so that step also will be taken. We hope that with that, the supply of these products will also go up, as we have already I've already informed the House that we have asked for different quantity of these different products to come in. So sanitizers, almost 6 lakh units have been ordered. So they are on their way, sir. And we hope that, I think as soon as tomorrow, we are expecting some of the critical equipments and supplies to come in. And of course, all will not come in one day. We will see slowly and steadily the supplies coming in. And of course, sir, we will also, as a government, we are aware that in situations like these, basic essential commodities like food and other items that are required are also something that could be in short supply. Sometimes it happens because people themselves panic and they try to hoard themselves in the house. So that also leads to it. So we are also aware of the situation, and the district administration as well as all the departments have been asked to keep a watch on this. And in today's meeting, necessary decisions and steps will be taken to ensure that all those issues also are addressed and concerns are taken care of, sir. Government, we are taking all steps that are possible to ensure that we contain the situation, sir. I would like to, on record, sir, thank all our members, especially the BAC and yourself, sir, for really taking this situation also very seriously and postponing this session. I think it's very important. We have asked all the other organizations and people to avoid crowded places. And I think if we don't practice what we preach, then I think it may be taken in the wrong context. So therefore, it was very important, and I think a quick decision was taken today to adjourn the House. And I think that's a very positive thing. We'll be meeting, sir, just only on 19th because at least we need to clear some of the financial issues that are there.